In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in DocHub. If you're working with a PDF and the text or details look a little too small, zooming in can make the document much easier to read and edit. The good news is that DocHub makes this very simple. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. This is the fastest way to get to the platform if you don't already have it bookmarked. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to open the website. Make sure you're selecting the official site so you land on the proper sign-in page. After the site loads, go ahead and sign in to your account. If you're already logged in, you may be taken straight to your dashboard automatically. Either way, the goal here is to reach the main DocHub workspace where your files are stored and ready to open. From the dashboard, open the PDF you want to view. This will load the document inside the DocHub editor. Give it a moment if the file is large, since some PDFs may take a little longer to fully appear on screen. Once it opens, you'll be able to see the pages of your document along with DocHub's editing and viewing controls. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left of the screen. This area contains the zoom controls for the document viewer. You should see a percentage displayed there, which represents your current zoom level. This number tells you how large or small the document is currently being shown. Right next to that percentage, you'll see a plus sign button. Click the plus sign to zoom in. Each click increases the zoom level, making the contents of the PDF appear larger and easier to inspect. This is especially helpful when you need to read small print, review signatures, or work with detailed sections of a form. If you need a closer view, you can continue clicking the plus sign until the document reaches a comfortable size for reading or editing. Take your time adjusting it so the page is easy to see without feeling too enlarged. And that's it. That's how to zoom in DocHub. Once you know where the zoom control is located, it only takes a second to adjust your view and make working with PDFs much more comfortable.